We do not heal in isolation but in togetherness. Although cell is said to be the basic structural and functional unit of life, but alone cell will not work. It needs its organelles along with it to work. Welcome to Science PN. We have studied cell is of two types, animal cells and plant cells. Both the cells are entirely different from each other, but there are few organelles which are present in both of them. So let's study about them. Cell wall. Cell wall is only present in plant cell. It is the outer wall present in plant cell which provides rigidity to the plant cell. Why do a plant cell only have the cell wall? Why not animal cell? It is having a reason, because plants are not movable. They cannot move here and there just like animals and humans do. So plant cell wall protect them to bear the highly atmospheric conditions, the temperature, humidity. So it gives them support and prevention from the excessive harmless atmospheric conditions. Plant cell is mainly made up of cellulose. Next comes cell membrane. Cell membrane is a highly thin and elastic membrane which is present in both plant cell and animal cell. Cell membrane gives the shape to the cell wall. It gives support to the cell wall. Also, it is semi-permeable in nature. It means it only allows the selected material to come inside the cell. So if you want to remember the functions of cell membrane, just keep 3 S in mind: shape, support and semi-permeable. Next is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, which is present in both the cells. It is a watery, thick, viscous, liquid-like substance which helps in the metabolic activities in the cell organelles. Next comes nucleus. Nucleus is the largest component of the cell. It is also known as brain of the cell. Why it is known as brain of the cell? It is because it controls all the activities that are going on in the cell. Nucleus consists of in it nuclear membrane, inside is nucleolus and chromatin, which enclose chromosomes, and chromosomes further carry gene, the unit of inheritance. It is having a fluid-like substance that is known as nucleoplasm. Then we are having vacuoles. Vacuoles are the empty space which either they take in liquid or gas. Vacuoles are having the outer layer known as tonoplast. Vacuoles are also known as storekeeper of the cells because they store food, water and the waste products. Next comes mitochondria. Mitochondria, it is a membranous sac-like structure which is having inside coiled tube known as crista. Mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell. Why so? It is because mitochondria help in the synthesis of energy molecule, that is ATP. It helps in cellular respiration. After mitochondria, we are having lysosomes. Lysosomes, they are only present in animal cell. They are having the digestive enzyme which is known as hydrolytic enzyme. Lysosomes, they are very few in plant cell and they are maximum in animal cell. Lysosomes, they secrete the digestive cells or the worn out cells. Lysosomes are also known as societal bags. Why? Because when they are feeling hungry, they engulf their own cell. After lysosomes, let's move on to the next cell organelle, that is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a membranous sac-like structure which is present near the nucleus. It gives the nuclear material to the various organelles of the cell. Then comes Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies, also known as Golgi apparatus. They help in the synthesis of proteins, lipids and carbohydrate. Next comes plastids. Dear students, please remember plastids are only found in plant cell because it is only the plant cells which make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So plastids are having structure in them that enclosed grana and further they are having stroma. Stroma enclose chromoplast, chloroplast and chromoplast, chloroplast and leucoplast. It is the chloroplast which is responsible for the synthesis of for the synthesis of food, that is made by the presence of chlorophyll into it. Next comes ribosomes. Dear students, ribosomes are the very smallest cell organelles. They do not have any cell membrane. What they have only protein. They are also known as protein factories to the cell. So dear students, these are the cell organelles. Now let's go and have a look about the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Cell wall is only present in plant cell. Cell membrane is found in both the cells. Nucleus, it is found in both the cells. Vacuoles, they are found only in animal cells and if present, very few in plant cells. Mitochondria, they are present in both the cells. Ribosomes, they are also present in both the cells. Endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus found in both the cells. Plastels, only and only found in plant cells. Lysosomes, last but not least, only and only found in animal cells. I have also made a video on cell structure and its introduction. You can watch the previous one and its link is given in the description. And if you like this video, kindly subscribe, share and like it. Thanks for watching.